Hey everyone, this is Sabrina, and I am going to be putting together day 6 for my December daily, and I'm so excited. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm cutting out my laminator pocket because I kind of wanted a floating piece to day 6, and I discovered that when I was tracing this shape that my jelly roll pen could trace the shape for me and then easily be erased. So I was very excited about that. I took these photos that are 2.75 and I put them in a grid design. It's just some hilarious selfies I was trying to take with my kids. And of course, my teen is at the age where he just makes the most ridiculous faces. So I was giving him the mom look. And so you can totally see the mom look. And I had to include a little bit of that. I took the digital alpha chipboard letters and put it on a card. I am hole punching the laminated pocket. I don't trust my A5 punch to get it correct, so I just use a hole punch. And then I am cutting out a piece of green paper. Thought I would use the striped paper, but decided I wanted the green since my alphabet letters were green as well. And I am gonna have this transition page of the tree, and then you'll open it to see the large photo of my kids. For the number, I didn't like the wood veneer. I felt like it just blended right in. So I fussy cut out a stamped 6, and then I am going to pop dot it and also add in some red, since I cut a ton of the speech bubbles that I used on my title page. I'm going to wind up using all of these speech bubbles from this one 10x8 paper, and I just love doing that, finding a different use for a paper, and these speech bubbles are just awesome. So I have Totally Merry and Bright and then the 6, and so then you'll open it and see my kid's photo. And then the cool part is that I'm doing a Pam Baldwin idea again, and so I am going to create something fun with the large Christmas tree photo. I love Pam Baldwin's ideas. I just think they're so brilliant, and I always find them inspiring. So she took a large photo outside the page protector and then took a small portion on the far left, size 2 by 8.25, and then that small portion will lay on the top of that flip out. And then once you glue down the photo, you can't even tell that there's a fold out portion there. So it's like magic. I thought it was so cool. So you put down the portion of the photo and it just seamlessly, transitions to the photo, but you open it up and oh my goodness, you have more photos. So she put in 2 rows of 2x2 photos and papers and a little bit of embellishments. I'm just doing 2 rows of vertical kind of photo strips. My photos had to be vertical just the way that I took my photos, and then I clipped it in some December daily digital paper. And oh my goodness, I love this. This was so much fun. But you guys, the hilarious part was, once again, crafting in the evening, and I literally had 5 adhesives that I broke. So you're going to see a few of them when I'm trying to use them. And eventually, towards the end of the video, I just wind up using a glue stick because I was tired of killing adhesives. I don't know what was happening, but all the adhesive was breaking. So here's some more of these speech bubbles. I have Getting Out Christmas around the tree, and then I just cut out a happy heart. Decided to use a chipboard down in the bottom left corner of the tree photo, since I have a chipboard over on the right-hand side with that floating pocket. I just really wanted to try a floating laminated pocket. I thought that'd be really fun just to have in my album. And I'm excited to do the backside, which is going to be day 7, obviously, but it's going to be day of red that an Instagram friend, Holly, I'll leave her information in the description box, she started that idea. So I am going to include that. I lost my first green paper that I made, so I just trimmed out another portion or another piece of the green paper, and you just saw an adhesive die. It's just kept folding over on itself. So then I got out an orange one, and then that one's gonna die shortly. And you guys, it was hilarious, and I hope you find this hilarious too. Do you guys ever fight with your adhesives? Leave a comment in the comment box and let me know, because sometimes I cannot get along with my adhesives. So I glued down just a portion of the right now, so that way I'm not gluing the little section that's gonna hang over between the divided flip out. And then I'm adding in just a few glitter stars and then one heart, glitter cardstock heart. I had it over on the light green speech bubble, but I'm gonna go ahead and move that to around the tree in just a little bit. And I just love how this whole page came together. It was so much fun to make despite all the issues with the adhesive. And I really love how the laminator portion turned out. So I'm just finishing up with the gluing, and then I'm gonna get it into my album. But once I get it into my album, I'm gonna realize that the laminator pocket with the holes, it's just very tight and it's not working. So I am going to get these pages in, turn off the camera, and then figure out that I can use one tabbed adhesive to kind of hook the page together. But first, I'm taking the kids' photo and matting it on some cardstock, and I am going to sandwich it together so it has a little bit of a sturdy foundation. I killed another adhesive, and so I got out the glue stick so that way I could get these two sandwiched together. And then I will figure out the tab for the laminator portion and finally have this page done. And I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing another December daily project of mine come together. I absolutely love this one. It's such a fun story with my kids, and I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel and want to keep seeing my videos. All right, have a great day. Bye.